Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to refer a friend on Temu in 2024. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your Temu app, then tap on the U icon at the bottom. Then if you see earn credits and free gifts here, just tap on it. But if you don't have that option just like mine, just tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Then tap on country and region. Then just change your location to the United States. So just tap on switch to United States. Then if we try to tap on the U icon again, as you can see, we already have that earn credits and free gifts option. So just go ahead and tap on that. So since we want to refer a friend now, let's tap on Get Now under Refer and Earn. Just tap on Start Earning. Then tap on this orange button. And as you can see, you can now copy link or code and share it to anyone. Or you may just directly send them the links on these social media sites right here. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.